Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use floating window on this device. First of all, you need to click on this square button at the bottom right corner to access background apps. Now select floating window at the top left corner. Over here you can click on one of those apps right away to use it in pop-up view, or click on this little icon with pen and the paper and select apps that you wish to use in this view by tapping on those pluses at the top of them. I will go with Chrome. To save your app, tap on Done at the top right corner. Now click on your app, and as you can see after that, I can use it in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, you can do that by holding this blue line at the top and dragging it. In order to use it overlay the other app, click on the other one and operate in both. If you want to, you can always make your app smaller by tapping on Home button. Then go back to it by tapping on this tiny window. You can make your app full screen by holding the lower line and drag it down, or you can close it completely by swiping it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!